Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: your phone, camera permission, and steady light. First, unlock and open the camera app or a dedicated scanner app. Many phones scan automatically in photo mode. Make sure the lens is clean and you're about 1 to 2 feet away. This keeps the barcode fill the frame without distortion. Once done, hold the phone steady and center the barcode. Your device searches for the high contrast pattern because it reads bars or QR matrix geometry. Now you'll refine the capture. Center the entire code in the viewfinder so no edges are cropped, because partial codes fail to decode. Tap the screen on the barcode to trigger autofocus. The phone locks exposure and sharpness to read crisp lines. If scanning fails, move slightly back or forward to let the lens reframe the bars. Make sure to switch orientation or enable the flashlight in low light, because consistent contrast is what the decoder needs to translate. When the scanner recognizes the code, a notification or on-screen prompt appears. Tap it to open the URL, copy text, or add a contact. If nothing happens, try a retake. Slightly change angle or distance, then tap to refocus. For stubborn cases, manually type the printed number below the barcode. If you still can't read it, clean the lens, brighten the scene, enable the flashlight, or update the app. These steps resolve most issues because decoding depends on clarity, contrast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.